Hi, it's Filo, welcome back! Today we're setting up February in my bullet journal, but first let me show you all the new washi tapes I got from the Washi Tape Shop. This one is called Childhood Chimes. It has full scenes with this little girl in different landscapes, but also individual stickers with other elements that are color coordinated, so you can create your own scenery. It feels very quiet and cozy, and it's all pre-cut. Next is the Panda Pilgrimage set with 3 washi tapes featuring adorable pandas being silly and goofy with nenuphars and flowers, baby ducks and bunnies, bamboo, food and lanterns. I like that each tape covers a different season, but they're all coordinated. Then we have the star of the show today, the Lunar New Year washi tape with our little girl in more festive activities, with dragons, her little bunny, persimmons, and fireworks. This one is called Imperial Glimmer, and it's inspired by 10 regions of China. They also have it with silver and gold gilding if you want. This one I think I'll reserve for my reading journal. And the last one is the Peony Reverie with a long loop of flowers from buds to fully open in beige, pink and red. I'll leave all the links below with my discount code in case you're interested. And now let's set up February. I'm starting by writing the month with the simplest festive font I could come up with the letters kind of bouncing and alternating colors that will match the stickers I'm about to use. Then I outline each letter to define them more, and while I'm at it, I correct imperfections in the shapes of the letters. And now I just fill the page around the title with stickers from the Lunar New Year tape. All the stickers are already pre-cut, so first I place the big ones to balance the composition. And then medium ones, some are from one of the panda tapes here. And finally, small details to fill the empty space. And finally, that frame was an idea I took from my friend Wixie. She did that in her sushi theme this month, and it's just perfect. Super simple, on theme, and it brings everything together. Moving on to the monthly spread, in the middle I'll have my usual big calendar. With a small handwriting, that one can fit everything from birthdays to social events or content planning. So I'm just repeating the header I did on the cover, just a little bit wider, maybe because I have more space. I'm using the same 3 colors for my weeks in the monthly calendar, and on the side I'll have a section for the books I read, another for my monthly goals or priorities, and below my social media trackers. You could replace that with your accomplishments this month, for example, or any tracker related to your yearly goals, just to celebrate your wins, or make sure you're on track. And the only thing that's left now is for me to decorate everything with stickers all around. So I start again with the main character, the little girls, with the bigger stickers in the corners. I love the expressions on their faces and, I don't know, their outfit and their chubby cheeks. And then I also started adding pandas on this one, so there's more variety of animals and a kind of balance in this little ecosystem. And lastly, I leave the details for the end. So we have flowers, little stars, fireworks, and oh, ducks! I forgot the ducks. It's a zoo! Onto the trackers, and starting with my habit trackers on the left page with a calendar for each habit. Some are the right size, some are not. Nothing a white gel pen can't fix. Twice. And I sketched before filming. Anyway, the more I go, the more I group my habits. So this month I decided to keep my usual workout, reading and painting habits, but I grouped my social media trackers into one single calendar. I'll just use a different key or symbol to log when I post a picture, a short or a video. And if it works, I'll keep doing it next month. More stickers all around because these little characters are having the time of their lives, apparently. And now with the meal planner. Since I like to organize my menus in full weeks, here we're starting February 3rd and ending March 2nd. Here I only write lunches and dinners. And of course, the stickers are food related, and I couldn't not save the big persimmon one for this spread. I feel like these designs feel very Ghibli inspired, right? It's so cute. For the first week of the month, I went back to full spreads weeklies, not Dutch doors, for two reasons. First, this notebook has gilded edges with a star pattern on it, and I really didn't want to lose that by cutting pages. And second, since I'm using stickers, it's way faster to decorate 4 pages, and the loop on the Lunar New Year tape is 1 meter long, and there are 3 panda and bunnies tapes with shorter loops, but still 3. So I'll have more than enough variety to create 4 unique spreads. So this first weekly has a vertical layout with big daily boxes that still leave plenty of space for decoration. And on this one, I thought it would be fun to have kind of a farandole of all the characters just being silly and having fun. I even forgot to include a mini calendar somewhere in this layout, now that I think about it. But it doesn't really matter. And that's it for today. Here is the final flip through of this Lunar New Year February bullet journal setup. I like how for now all my themes this year are very colorful. It wasn't intended, it just happened, but I'm really enjoying it. And I have to say, it's also cheering, not only because it's brighter, but also simply because it's a change. So if you've made it till the end, leave me this emoji and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you again to the Washi Tape Shop for sending these over. If you'd like to get these or other beautiful tapes, check out the links down below and use my code for a discount. If you want more inspiration, I leave all my February setups linked below. There's one for Valentine's, one with maps I really liked, and last year was windows and butterflies. Anyway, I wish you a very happy Lunar New Year, and I'll see you soon in the next one. And until then, enjoy planning!